Navigating and setting up weekly units. This tutorial will demonstrate how to set up and navigate through the weekly units of your course. There may be times that you wish to add and/or edit resources as well as hide other items. In this demonstration, you will learn how to edit and organize the contents of each week. When performing the instructor functions, ensure edit mode is on. Locate weekly units from your navigation menu. You should now see a list of your weekly units. To edit the week's title or to assign display dates for each week, click the downward icon beside the weekly unit. Beside week 1, you will notice a yellow panel with a two-way arrow. This is an indication that the unit can be shifted within this section. This yellow bar, when the mouse is hovered around that particular area, will shift items up or down, which gives you the ability to organize the contents within your course. When new items have been added, in any case in Blackboard, by default, they appear at the bottom of the list. Locating this yellow bar, simultaneously click and drag, either up or down, will move the item. To edit content within each week, you must click on the week name itself. For this example, select week 1. Each week has the following menu: Build Content, Assessments, Tools, and Partner Content. If needed, these are the following items necessary for adding items to your course. For example, if you have created a test in the test bank, you should click Assessments and select Test from the menu. If you like to create an assignment, you should click Assessments and select Assignment from the menu. At the very least, your course, especially for on-ground instructors, will have a template, so you're not expected to build a course from scratch. You should arrange the items added to your course under the following headings: Overview, Multimedia, Activities, and Assessments. This provides a level of consistency to students, a familiar layout of where course contents are located, regardless of the course they take. Overview. The overview will provide students with a summary of the week's content, objectives, and a list of course activities that should be completed. Multimedia. The Multimedia section will provide students with links and access to all course materials such as videos, textbook reading, articles, and lecture notes. Activities and Assessments. Activities and Assessments will provide students with links to all of the week's activities such as the discussion board, weekly assignment, quiz, etc. To move items to a new location, hover to the edge of the item to activate the yellow sidebar. Click, drag, and drop to the new location. To edit items already existing in your Blackboard course, locate the downward icon beside the content item and select Edit. Let's build an assignment. For this example, I will build in week 1. Hover over Assessments and select Assignment. You will now be taken into the Create Assignment page. Give your assignment a name, but leave the default color set to black. Enter the instructions in the text box area. Please remember to use the paperclip icon within the instructions text box so that an alt tag can be added for ADA compliance. The Attach File field does not provide that feature. Due dates. Set your due date. It will appear on students' Blackboard calendar. Grading. Points possible should always be 100. Rubrics. Add or create a rubric for the assignment, if applicable. submission details, grading options, and display of grades. Click on these blue links to set submission details such as Safe Assign and the number of attempts, your grading options, and the display of grades. Availability. Availability is one of the most important features. If students cannot see an assignment or item, chances are Make the assignment available is not selected. Display after and display until allow instructors to limit the availability of an assignment. Be certain that dates and times are accurate if using this feature. You must click Submit to link the new assignment in week 1. Be reminded, all new items appear at the bottom of the page. To move items to a new location, hover to the edge of the item to activate the yellow sidebar, click, drag, and drop to its new location.